Hey, welcome back everyone. It's summer here in Australia. We like our outdoors. We've got a really nice entertainment area outside, but we don't have any music there. I picked up some speakers and an amplifier module off eBay at least a year, maybe more ago, and I haven't done anything with them. Well, today I thought I'd put those two things together so that we can have some music on in our entertainment area. Okay, so let's take a look at it now. So I picked up these speakers at a sale ages ago and ordered this amp module quite some time ago as well, and just haven't put it to use yet. It's a Bluetooth module, just a plug pack here, and a 3D printed case, which I'll put the link below to where I got it from. And we're just going to assemble this today. So the board just fits in the bottom of the case and just sits in there nicely. There's holes for the charge, the input jack and speaker terminals, and there's a little on-off switch which just slides in a little rail there and just hits on top of the switch on the circuit board. I hadn't actually tried this before, and what I found is I must have a different switch to the new modules because mine didn't fit. Now, first of all, I thought there might have just been infill or support inside the actual switch when I printed it, so I tried to dig that out, and no go. It just wouldn't fit properly. The switch is just too high, and when I compare it against the ones that are on eBay at the moment, the switch on mine definitely is higher or prouder than the one on the new modules. So if you're buying a new module off eBay now, I don't think you'll have this issue. It should work fine. In the end, I just threw my little on-off switch away, and I'll just print something I can press on the top of it, and that'll do me fine, thanks. So next I just grabbed some 3mm screws just to put it together, and I found that the holes in the bottom cover and the board didn't quite line up right because the capacitor was pushing the board sort of sideways a little bit. So just grabbed the cordless drill and a 3mm drill bit and just ran it through the bottom just to clean up those holes a little bit, and then we're good to put it together. So I picked some longer screws for the back and shorter screws for the front because there's a little bit more room at the back for it to bite into, and just threaded those screws in and tightened them up, and the board just basically sits between the two covers and that holds it tight. Okay, well that's pretty much it. All the buttons seem to press down nicely on the switches. Still got to do something about the power button, but that's good enough for the moment. Let's try it out. Okay, so the screw terminals on the right side for the left and right speakers, so we'll just wire those in, and the plug pack just plugs in near the speaker terminal there. Okay, time to test it. So just turn on the actual device and wait until it comes up on the Bluetooth. On mine it come up as XINRUI audio, so we just touch on that to connect it, and once it comes up connected we can actually try playing something. I can't play the whole song because it'll trigger copyright things and everything like that, but it plays fine. And just trying all the buttons, they seem to be working quite okay too. Can skip forward, can skip back songs, the volume works fine, and play pause, brilliant. So I'm really happy with this. This is going outside in our outdoor entertainment area, so it should be a really handy addition. We can just play our music off the iPads or the phones or whatever. Okay, so that's pretty much that for this project. Really just an assembly project, but yeah, quite successful. I'd thoroughly recommend this amplifier module off eBay. If you like what I'm doing, then please do like the video. If you'd like to see more, then please subscribe, and don't forget to hit the chime so you get notified when I post something new. And I'll put a couple of links here to some other videos you can look at.